Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today, and wow, bro, this is crazy. Shoosh! Guys, this is big tech moving. 40% for Bilibili, 35% for JD. Look at what's happening right now. 27% for Alibaba, man. This is big tech moving like freaking penny stocks right now. This is crazy, and this is amazing news out of Hong Kong. It's just good to hear that the government is listening to the people, listening to everyone around them, because man, we're getting killed in the market, and there's a lot of concerns going around because remember, a lot of big institutions are leaving the Chinese market. There's so much uncertainty around the products, around services, around companies, everything in Hong Kong, around the war, whatever is going on. And this is a big shock because the Beijing government doesn't do this often. It doesn't really care about the financial markets. It's more worried about the nation. For the government to come out and do this, I think this is huge news. Like, the government really doesn't care about what's happening in the financial markets or the stock market. So for him to come out and just kind of reassure everything that's going on in the market, in the financial sphere, is just shocking. It's amazing for Alibaba, Tencent, all of these amazing Chinese companies, NIO, everything is going crazy in the market. Can you please like this video, subscribe to my channel? I'm always providing you guys with so much new content, man. So subscribe. So let's read this quick post by Sophia. Sophia always posts amazing content when it comes to China. China State Council has in one move just pledged to keep capital markets stable. And you have to keep remembering, this is all about institutions. Institutions run this damn market. Never forget that. They're the ones putting the billions of dollars into these companies. So, with that being said, they are all about certainty of what's going on in the market. If there's no certainty, they are running for the damn hills. So this is all about institutions, about banks, about all the people that are investing in Alibaba, man. All the school funds that are investing in Alibaba, because they are running for the hills. Alibaba has the most exodus of shareholders, like the most people selling. Vowed to support overseas stock listings. So remember, this is a huge risk. People keep talking about the VIE structure, but the government is saying that they're pledging to keep stocks stable, to keep overseas listings going, and they're not going to be affected by everything that's going on as long as you adhere to the security risks and financial reporting. Everything is okay. You can list overseas in whatever market you want to go. Said dialogue with US ADRs is good. So US and China are talking about how they're going to come to a conclusion with this ADRs and with everything going on in that sphere. So hopefully that comes to a conclusion. Can you imagine, on top of this news, China and the US come to a conclusion or come to an end discussion saying, yes, Chinese companies won't be delisted anymore. These 5 companies won't be delisted. That's another like 20-30% easy. Promise to handle risk for property developers. This is crazy. This is really good news because you have to remember what's happening with the Evergrande section. The whole sphere is going down. People are just so worried about the housing market. So for them to come out and saying they're going to stabilize that and keep it succinct, because guys, we don't want another 2008 recession, even though we are having one without the property market just tumbling, crashing. Can you imagine having this market right now, just from the regulatory sphere, from the Ukraine-Russian war, on top of that, Evergrande and all of these housing developments just going to zero? Man, these stocks would literally be like $10. Like Alibaba, Tencent, these would be $15 stocks easily, on top of what's already happening in China. Clarified regulation of big tech will end soon. Finally, bro. Like, this is amazing. Like, think about this. This is the major worry that everyone has about regulation. If the regulation will end soon and we can come to an agreement, Stock market is all about managing risk. So this is such a big I don't think you guys understand how much of a risk this is, an overhang on the market and on people investing in these companies. Because what's the number one thing people say about China, about Xi Jinping? They don't know if they're going to get their shares. They don't know if the VIE structure is there. They think there's more regulation coming in the future. I can't invest. So for the government to come out and say this, I honestly think this is a big news moving forward. Because on top of that, we can now get a clear picture of not a clear picture, but a clearer picture of how the Chinese are thinking about the US market, thinking about the Chinese market, and they understand what's going on and how it's contributing to the downfall of their financial market. And that's not what they're trying to do, man. They're trying to become prosperous. So as Alibaba, Tencent moving forward, they get all that regulation out of the way, they can start to flourish and actually generate more revenue, add more value to their customers, get deeper connection with their customers, expand their moats, get better margins, all of that good stuff, man. So this is crazy news out of China, man. Look at this run, man. This is the Hang Seng China Index. 9% in one freaking day. This is big tech moving like a damn penny stock. Guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I get back to you in the next video. Peace.